Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be potting up these two Blue Point junipers that I got at Home Depot. We have decided not to plant them in the ground this year, but to put them in containers. I think these are 10-gallon containers. I think it's 14 inches across on the top and probably 14 to 18 inches deep. I got these plastic containers at Menards and they're pretty reasonable. They're pretty cheap. They're about $12 or $14 right now, which is amazing. I think they look really good. I've had them I had these containers over the winter last year and they held up really good. The coloring, everything held up, which was really nice. So we're going to get going and pot these up. The potting mix that I'm going to use is going to be what I call the 3-1-1. So it's 3 parts peat, 1 part composted manure, and 1 part perlite. So that's what I'm putting in these containers, and then I will top it off with a little bit of evergreen fertilizer. So I'm going to start by putting some of the potting medium in the bottom. I'm going to put the juniper in here just to make sure I leave room for it. Anytime you're going to pot something up, make sure that it's well hydrated before you start. I did these last night, so they should be good to go. My guess is these are probably pretty root bound. We'll find out when we get them out of the container. I'm going to kind of pack it in around the container that's in there. Just to, hopefully it will hold its shape somewhat. Now pull the container out, and then I will pull the juniper out. You can see that it's not completely root bound, but it is starting to go around quite a bit. And then I'm going to just simply pop it in there. Didn't see that coming. Guess it was a vacuum situation. And I'm going to put a little bit more potting medium around the top. I'm going to leave about 2 inches of headspace to leave room for the water. You want to make sure the root ball is down in there and that it stays well hydrated. Root balls can act as a wick, and if you have them above the soil line of where it was planted before, it could make it dry out prematurely. So you really want to make sure you get it down there. I'll do some B-roll so you can see what this looks like. You can see that it leaves a nice cavity for the tree. So here's what the roots look like. Look fairly well formed. I'm going to put it just below the soil surface. And I'm going to backfill this like that, put a little bit more in there, and leave about 2 inches of headspace. And I'm just using some basic evergreen and tree shrub fertilizer. This is a 16-4-8. And I'm going to just put some around on both of the pots. And as always, you want to make sure that you're watering in your new plants, your new potted plants, really good. You want to make sure you fully saturate the soil. We're going to use these on our front entrance to flank both sides of the stairs going up to the house. I think they're really nice. There, I've got them all potted up. I really like them a lot. So this again are Blue Point junipers. Blue Point because of course you can see a blue hue to them. These are good down to -30 Fahrenheit, which I need for this zone. Actually, it's a little bit, my zone can get down to -25 Fahrenheit, so this should do just fine here. If this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up so YouTube knows to share this content with others. Also, consider subscribing so you don't miss any of our other great videos. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.